Okay, so welcome to my next video about my tablet UI on my Asus transformer. This is probably going to be the final version of the tablet UI using the hubs concept by XCA member Flip Arsenal. I've got it sort of laid out the way I think, well, I'm going to keep it for the foreseeable future anyway. And I thought I'd just give you a quick overview of what it looks like, which apps I use to make it look this way, and how it actually works. So here we go. This is the leftmost hub, which is the video hub. On here you can access actually everything that's got to do with video and moving pictures. So movies I've got a load on there, streaming video, you name it, it's on there. Recurring theme on this UI is the menu bar up here, which has the name of the hub on the top left and the name of the other hubs in the menu bar up here. Second recurring bit is the activity bar down the bottom, which launches applications and folders which contain well, actually all the apps which I need to which pertain to the hub I'm currently at. Another thing which recurs on in this design is the well, the widget area on the left or right. I've had it jumping around on the left, on the right, and on various screens, so you'll see it when I navigate through the screens anyway. So the navigation bar up top lets you switch rather quickly between the various hubs. For example, if I would touch the home hub button, it'll move me over to the home hub. Same as moving back to the pressing video will move me back here. So it allows you to quickly switch between screens. It goes pretty smoothly. At the bottom, I've got various icons which allow me to launch activities such as watching a movie, editing a movie, or launching IMDb, stuff like that. Just everything that's got to do with the whole videos team. On the left, furthermore, we got the little widgets here from Pulse News, which inform me about stuff that's happening in movie world. And on the right, we've got a wonderful little widget from Mizu Movies, an app which is on the Android market, which allows you to see all the movies you've currently got loaded on your tablet. It's pretty easy to navigate through them. You just move your finger over it, and well, basically it'll switch through them. Moving on to the next one, I've got the media hub. Sorry. This has got my music and my pictures. So at the top again, here's the menu bar. On the right this time, there's the widget area, which has the news in well, music land this time. And on the top left over here, we've got the little widget over here, which allows me to start the music player. At the bottom in the activity bar, we've got the ability to listen to music, look at my gallery or my pictures, and create and edit stuff as well. So basically that's the media hub. Idea is to keep it as simple as possible, just to like have a nice amount of background so you can actually see the picture you put in the back, and just keep stuff as clean as possible. So moving on to the next one, we've got the news hub. Same idea actually here. So if you look at this, the widget notification, the widget area, it follows through to the next screen. That's the idea. Whoops, one too far there. So on this one, I've got my my news applications and my social applications. So on the top here again, there's the menu bar. On the left again, this here is the widget area, which shows me the news. And on the bottom, we've got, for example, the folder which has my e-reader apps and my newspaper apps, and stuff like news apps and comics and you name it, it's down there. To the right of that, I've got my home screen. The home screen, well, that's basically the thing you see when you turn on the tablet. On the left, we've got a pretty large clock, which is, well, it shows the time also amazingly. At the bottom, we've got some activities, things which I use pretty often. For example, Explorer, browser, email, stuff like that. Shopping under there, we've got stuff like Tegra Zone, Market, stuff like that. On the right in the widget zone, we've got the battery percentage, touching that will move you on to the battery usage screen of the Android Honeycomb system. And up here it's supposed to show the current weather situation, but seems to be having some problems with reading the location. Anyway, touching that should launch the WeatherBug app, which allows me to switch between the various locations I've currently got in the system. So basically, well, that's the home app, the home hub. On the right of that, we've got the Office hub, which basically contains all the productivity stuff I do on my tablet. Top here again, menu bar on the right, I've got my agenda over here, and in the activity bar there's stuff like the calculator, contacts, document programs, files, reference programs, stuff like that. In the widget area I decided not to put any news widgets, but folders to well, actually applications to my calendar, for example, so I can open that quickly. A quick link to a drawing app and a notes app, which I use pretty often. On the last screen I've got, that's the game screen. Important stuff there, actually. So on the top left again, there's the name of the hub. Navigation bar, same as on the other stuff, and in the bottom the activity bar, showing the various categories of games I've got on my tablet. For example, on the action you'll find stuff like Angry Birds, you name it, stuff like that. Racing stuff, well, RPG. You know, it just opens the various folders which show the type of games I have on my tablet. On the right, there's some pulse widgets showing some game news from Rock Paper Shotgun, stuff like that. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, when you flip through, the menu bar and the action bar, they stay constant throughout the entire screen. The widget notification area, well, it switches around on each side. So on the first screen it's on the left, it's on the right, and it moves like that throughout the entire UI. Main apps I use to create this are Minimalistic Text, Simple Text Icon Creator, and ADW Ex to make it all work. Oh, and actually, of course, the wonderful multi-live wallpapers, which allows you to change wallpapers by double tapping the screen, which is great, and allows you to use different types of wallpapers for each various hub you created. Other stuff to make it clean is, well, ADW Ex has this wonderful options to allow you to hide the top bar with the Google search and the settings and the settings bar. Also, it allows you to have a hidden dock, which allows you to put some system and some administration stuff at the bottom, which you do not want to see all the time. Whoops. Opening the app drawer is pretty easy as well. You can allow ADW Ex to open that with the swipe down thing, and well, you can get to all the applications you currently need that there as well. So the idea is to create as much screen real estate as possible to keep everything nice and neat, and I think, well, actually I'm pretty pleased with the way it's turned out. I would say have a go yourself, get busy and see what you can make of it. Well, that's about it. Signing off, have a good day and all of that stuff. Bye bye.